I'm Brenda Cadman from Bonaccord Creative, and in this quick video, I want to show you Canva's new Zoom slider feature. So let's jump into Canva.
In the past, when you were using Canva, you had to choose from a very specific set of zoom settings, and you didn't have a lot of flexibility in changing that. Now, however, Canva has introduced their zoom slider, and if you come on down here to where the zoom settings used to be, you'll see that it is still there, and you can still choose from those different settings that used to exist, but you now also have additional control. So in this case, in this particular design, if I wanted to zoom in and get closer, I can drag this zoom bar up in order to zoom further in, and in fact I can zoom way in, or I can shrink it down if I wanted to be able to get more of a bird's eye view of the designs. So this is going to give you a lot more control over your designs if you are doing some really fine detailed work and you need to be able to get really close up in your designing process. This is going to give you a lot more control in order to do that. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you're looking for a step-by-step introduction to using Canva more efficiently in your business, be sure to check out my Canva 101 mini course.